No.
Okay, no time for, okay, it's time for shut the hell up and let's make recipes. Because today, the keto alcoholics are back. I got the low carb IPA. This Wykked got
We're still in a
the
keto
Corona,
rehab, remember?
2.6. She just lost 2 more pounds. I lost a pound and a half. I have no more to lose.
Look.
Oh,
So you
what
wanna...
are we making today? Okay, we got to hurry up because time is money. And look what we got here today.
Ground lamb, ground beef mix. We're gonna make a dolmate, a Greek, Turkish, Mediterranean that you like so much. You go to Greek restaurant.
Yeah, they call them grape leaves. Okay, dolmates, grape leaves, stuffed cabbage, whatever you want to call it. We got cabbage here for cabbage roll lovers.
Zucchinis. Grape leaves.
And she's got all these type of
very simple ingredients.
Great ingredients. So, Mr. Sal's gonna go take a back seat.
Cheers.
I'm gonna keep on drinking. She's gonna show you how to cook. Now I'm gonna get my dance on.
The champions. We are the champions. Yay! Another epic recipe. Another great, delicious, yummy Mediterranean food that I'm gonna show you guys today. Get ready, because this one is not easy. Although very simple ingredients, but it is time consuming to make them good. Okay, I know a lot of people likes grape leaves. You know, you go to a Greek restaurant, you order them, you know, look like a cigar, and it's stuffed with the rice, right? But we're still remember, in a keto phase, keto jail, whatever you call it, so we have to watch our diet. So therefore, we're going to eliminate the rice. So I got half a pound of ground lamb, ground beef, 70-30 ratio fat, so it's nice and juicy. You don't buy lean because it's gonna dry out. Then I boil some cabbages. We're gonna roll cabbage. Then I have some grape leaves, which is already in the jar. I got them. And I have some zucchini that I carved inside. As you can see, we're gonna stuff them. So now I'm gonna show you my ingredients. Pay attention. Again, I got a 1 cup, although it shrunk when I squeezed the water out. It's cauliflower rice. I used a frozen bag. You can use the chopped fresh one. Same recipe. And I have chopped tomatoes fresh, like about 2. I have chopped, diced, fresh dill weed and mint. Oh, yummy. And I chopped 1 medium-sized onion. And I have some lemon, which we're going to squeeze in the pan. Black pepper. I have some chili, hot chili sauce, and which we're gonna add it in, and then salt. And I have some basil. We're gonna put it on top. That's pretty much it. That's really simple. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay. So first, I'm going to add my cauliflower rice, and that's the trick. Exactly the same, you know, as like using a rice, except doesn't have any starch in it. Now we are dumping our tomatoes, and we're gonna make our stuffing like bigger and bigger. Now next items, we are using our onions. I want to see if it's too many. I may not use them all. Yeah, it looks like I think I can use just half an onion. Remember, onions also have carbs. And our most delicious chopped herbs, fresh mint, dill weed. Okay, rest we can use it for our salad. And I'm gonna use some hot chili sauce paste. Just dump a little bit. It's kind of hot, so you may want to watch out. Maybe 1 tablespoon will be plenty for most people. Now I'm gonna use some my measuring spoon because I always use the same measure. 1, I think 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons. That's perfect. Now I need some cracked black pepper. And now I'm gonna use some gloves. The ground lamb and ground beef, very fatty, so they get stuck. They get stuck on my jewelry, my ring. My hand gets nasty, so I kind of, you know. If I was making a hamburger, it would be a different story. So, okay, so now we are going to mix our ingredients. And I wish you were here. You could smell the earthy aroma that it released from onions, mint, and our spicy sauce. Okay, so why don't I do this so I can show you. You just take a little handful, okay, a layer like this. Chop off the hard end on your cabbage. It's not gonna, you're not gonna be able to roll it. It's hard. Okay, so you're just doing it like egg roll, burrito, and you might want to add a little bit more because it's kind of big. So watch my hand as we go roll and roll and roll and roll like this, right? You got big cigarette, like cigar. Okay, some of them are going to be smaller than others. So this is the next one. And again, look how much I put it in. Okay, this you put a little bit more in because the leaves are bigger. Okay, so watch how I'm going to roll it down with my hands. Okay guys, here's our second one. Got a little bit smaller. Now I'm going to show you a couple of our zucchinis. You can also stuff eggplants, little peppers, whatever you can stuff, you know, and it will go. Whatever the vegetable is your favorite, you can stuff them, because after all, it's the stuffing inside is count, as long as it's delicious. Okay, so here's your little zucchini stuffed zucchinis. Now I'm going to show you how to roll my grape leaves. Okay, so I washed them. I took them out. They're salted. They're pickled in the salt and vinegar probably. So you want to take the salt out. And doing the same kind of way, same way, like burrito, egg roll, whatever the shape you think we're going for. So this is our grape leaves, and you eat them with the grape. You don't take them out. Okay, you eat the leaves because they are delicious and they're actually nutritious. And everything that nature gave us has a purpose, so you don't throw them out. Okay, here's the second one. Okay, I'm back, guys. It took me about 20 minutes, and I rolled everything up. As you can see, my cabbage is on the side, the grape leaves on the bottom, and then I have the zucchinis And what I did, slice some lemons, and we're gonna cook it in the lemon. And I have a cup of water that I pour on the side, so it will cook, because it's gonna release a lot of fat from the meat. And what you do is you might want to check like every 20 minutes if the water's shrunk. You can add a little bit more water. And then I'm pouring a little bit of olive oil, because I just love olive oil. It has a great flavor. And then I'm gonna pour some sea salt, which gives a little extra flavor outside. And finally, my favorite herb, basil. I'm just gonna put the basil on the right top like this. So it's just gonna give just extra flavor, right? And it's gonna be like a Mediterranean flavors. Okay guys, so this is gonna be going on to the stove. You don't have to preheat your stove. You just turn it on. It's right on. And you might wanna put a little plate, which I'm gonna do. I put a little top. What happens is this will hold, it gives us some weight, and water, you see, not too much. I don't wanna boil this. I wanna sear. It's gonna be a little sear, and so slow cook, you know, slowly. So we heat it up very high, and then I turn down the stove very low, and 30 minutes we're gonna cook it low and slow. So then we come back and check if it needs some more water, or if it's not well done. Oh wow, it's still cooking, huh? Good looking. It's 5 minutes left from the 30 minutes. Oh, yummy. Making me hungry, baby. Where have you been in my whole life? It's still cooking, but slowly and surely. Look. Beautiful. That's the way I like it, baby. Okay, guys, we're going to continue cooking probably another 15 minutes, because we want them to, nice and soft. Okay, guys, we're ready. We're cooked. 40 minutes. Your stuffed grape leaves with the cabbage roll and the zucchini. We stuffed with half and half ground lamb, ground beef mixture, and voila. So yummy.